all the surfaces shown in the figure 12-E15 are frictionless, the mass of car is capital M, that of the block is small m, and the spring has a spring constant K. Initially, the car and the block are at rest and the spring is stretched through a length x dot. When the system is released, find the amplitude of the simple harmonic motion of the block and of the car as shown from the road. Find the time period of two simple harmonic motion. ब्लॉक को अगर हम ए से डिनोट करें एंड कार को बी से, स्प्रिंग की इनिशियल लेंथ इज ओ सी एंड एट प्रेजेंट इट इज एट सी डैश, तो सी डैश इज एक्स डॉट. जो सिस्टम है स्प्रिंग, ब्लॉक and car का system, there is no horizontal force acting on the system, hence horizontal component of the system will remain at same point. It means अगर हम डेल्टा एक्स सी एम देखें किसी भी कंडीशन में एक्स सी एम, delta xm will be 0. And vcm, velocity of center of mass will be 0 and acceleration of center of mass will be 0. इसको अगर हम कुछ लार्ज करके बना रहे हैं, string is in stressed condition, तो string ब्लॉक पर एक ए ब्लॉक पर एक फोर्स इम्पोज करेगी के एक्स डॉट राइट टू लेफ्ट, एंड ड्यू टू दिस extension, same force will act on block B from left to right. O, C and C dash. Suppose block A moves x1 distance, and block B moves x2 distance. Delta xcm is 0, hence mx2 will be equal to mx1. The total release in extension of spring will be x1 plus x2. At some time t, this block जो स्प्रिंग length of spring becomes equal to this OC. उस कंडीशन में movement of A suppose is A1 and movement of B is suppose A2, and this will equal to x dot. इस जो जब A1 plus A2 is x dot, the velocity of A and B will be maximum. Hence, this is the equilibrium position of A and B, and A1 and A2 are the amplitude of block A and block B respectively. And in this condition, M A2 will be equal to M A1. इसका मोमेंट अगर हम A1 एंड इसका मोमेंट होगा A2, यहाँ से A2 इज इक्वल टू M बाई कैपिटल M A1. ये वैल्यू हमने इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में पुट कर दी, तो A1 प्लस M बाई M A1 विल बी इक्वल टू x डॉट, और A1 M प्लस M बाई कैपिटल M is x dot, or A1 is capital M x dot M plus M. And from above equations, A2 will be mx dot M plus M. So this is amplitude of block is A1, and this is amplitude of car. B part. A and this is B. Suppose at this moment spring is in its original position. Now this block moves x1, and this B block moves x2. Total compression in the spring will be is x1 plus x2, and for delta xcm is 0, then mx2 plus mx1, mx2 must be equal to mx1. Initial energy of the system. E dot is half k x dot का square and that is constant. In this particular condition, velocity of A is v1 and velocity of B is v2. All the surfaces are frictionless, hence there is no loss of energy. Total energy at this instant number 1, potential energy stored in the spring is half k x1 plus x2 by square. Kinetic energy of block A half mv1 square and kinetic energy of car B is half mv2 square. Total energy will be half k x1 plus x2 square plus half mv1 square plus half mv2 square, and this will be equal to half k x dot square or E dot. This is equation number 2. Equation number 3. For VCM is 0, mv2 will be equal to mv1. Equation number 4. And equation number 2 को भी यहीं पे लिख दें, mx2 is equal to mx1. Question number 2. From equation 2, x2 is m by m x1, and from equation 4, v2 is equal to mv1 by m. दोनों वैल्यूज़ हमने इक्वेशन नंबर 3 में पुट कर दी, तो 1/2 k x1 x2 is m by m x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस हाफ m v1 स्क्वायर प्लस हाफ कैपिटल M v2 की वैल्यू पुट कर दी v1 mv1 बाई m स्क्वायर एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू E डॉट. 1/2 k x1 स्क्वायर m प्लस m बाई कैपिटल M स्क्वायर प्लस 1/2 v1 स्क्वायर mv1 square plus 1 upon 2 m square v1 square upon capital M is E dot, or 1 upon 2 k x1 square m plus m by capital M square plus half m v1 square 1 plus m by m is E dot, or 1 upon 2 k x1 square m plus m by m का square plus 1 upon 2 m v1 square m plus m by m E dot. Differentiate with respect to t 1 upon 2 k m plus m by m square into 2x1 dx1 by dt plus half m plus m by m into 2v1 into dv1 by dt, and E dot is constant and this is 0. 2 से 2 क्रॉस हो गया, k m plus m by capital M x1 and this is v1 plus 2 से 2 क्रॉस हो गया, m plus m by m v1 into this is acceleration in particle A is 0. This is square. v1 से डिवाइड कर दिया, v1 क्रॉस हो गया, m प्लस m बाई m से डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ पावर क्रॉस हो जाएगी, ये क्रॉस हो जाएगा, तो k m प्लस m बाई कैपिटल M x1 प्लस m a1 is equal to 0, or a1 will be minus k by m into m plus m by capital M x1. A1 is directly proportional to minus x1, hence motion is SHM. Minus omega square x1 is equal to minus k by m plus m by m x1, or omega will be k m plus m by mm under root. Hence time period t1 will be 2 pi mm upon k m plus m, and it can be proved that similarly that t1 is equal to t2. This is time period of both block as well as car.